Hello, welcome English students. Welcome to the studio. Today I'm going to teach you English using a song by the Beatles. What's the name of the song? The name of the song is Get Back, Get Back, Get Back to Where You Once Belong. Okay, so we're going to cover today. We're going to cover the phrasal verb to get back, its many uses. We'll do one or two of its many uses. We will also cover some useful vocabulary and maybe some simple past. We'll put some simple past in the end just for a little bit of practice. All right. Okay, now we're going to practice the phrasal verb to get back. We can use this many ways. First way we're going to practice today is to get back to a previous location. After my vacation, I got back to work. You can also use it to return to a previous topic of discussion. Let's get back to the main topic of the discussion. Vocabulary, some very nice vocabulary in this song. For instance, high heels. Do you wear high heels? Ask me if I wear high heels. Not recently. Mama's waiting for you. Wearing her high heel shoes and a low neck sweater. Get back, Loretta. Get back to where you once belonged. Belonged, nice. To belong in the simple past, belonged. With that D sound, belonged. Examples. That car belonged to me before I sold it. He belonged to the club. Has anything that belonged to you ever been stolen? Now, let's go to the fun part. Let's do a little quiz to test your knowledge of the song. We will do these at the end of most classes. Good fun, good way of revising. Jojo left his home in Tucson, Arizona for some Californian grass. Lyric comprehension question. Where did Jojo live before leaving for California? Did you get it right? Arizona. Jojo was a man, I thought he was a loner, but he was another man. What did Jojo think of himself? Yes, that's right. Jojo thought he was a loner.